Have you ever dreamt of turning a small sum of money into a life-changing fortune? Imagine this, $1,000 transformed into a substantial nest egg. It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? The prospect of watching your money grow exponentially. I'll share my strategy for investing $1,000. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always consult a qualified professional before investing. Investing with a limited budget comes with risks and opportunities. Let's explore how to make that $1,000 work its hardest for you. The world of investing can seem like a complex and intimidating maze, especially for someone just starting with $1,000. With so many options and strategies, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Should you invest in the stock market, venture into real estate, or perhaps start your own small business? Each path has its own set of potential rewards and risks. The key is to understand these options thoroughly and choose the one that aligns best with your risk tolerance, financial goals, and personal circumstances. Investing isn't a one-size-fits-all endeavor. What works for one person might not work for another. That's why it's crucial to do your research, educate yourself about different investment vehicles, and seek guidance from experienced professionals. Don't be afraid to ask questions, explore various resources, and learn as much as you can before making any investment decisions. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing your finances. Investing, by its very nature, involves a certain degree of risk. It's important to acknowledge and understand these risks before putting your hard-earned money on the line. With $1,000, the fear of losing it all can feel even more significant. That's why it's crucial to approach investing with a balanced perspective, recognizing that while there are no guarantees of profit, there are ways to mitigate risk and make informed decisions. One of the biggest mistakes new investors make is letting fear dictate their actions. Fear can lead to impulsive decisions, selling investments at the first sign of a downturn, or avoiding investing altogether. Instead of letting fear paralyze you, use it as a motivator to educate yourself, diversify your investments, and develop a long-term strategy. Remember, every successful investor has faced risks and setbacks along the way. It's how you learn from those experiences and adapt your approach that ultimately determines your success. Now let's explore some of the most common investment options available to you. Stocks, real estate, and small businesses. Each has the potential for significant returns, but also carries its own set of risks. Stocks, for instance, offer the opportunity to own a piece of a company and potentially benefit from its growth. However, stock prices can be volatile, and there's always the risk of losing money if the company doesn't perform well. Real estate investments, such as buying rental properties, can provide a steady stream of passive income and long-term appreciation. But they also require significant upfront capital, come with maintenance costs, and tenant management responsibilities, and can be affected by market fluctuations. Starting a small business can be incredibly rewarding, allowing you to be your own boss and pursue your passions. However, it also demands dedication, hard work, and the willingness to take on significant financial risk. Section 5. My recommended strategy diversification for long-term growth. My recommended strategy for investing $1,000 is rooted in two fundamental principles: diversification and long-term thinking. Diversification means spreading your money across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to reduce your overall risk. By not putting all your eggs in one basket, you're less likely to be wiped out by a downturn in any one sector. Long-term thinking means adopting a patient and disciplined approach to investing, focusing on gradual growth over time rather than chasing quick profits. This means writing out market fluctuations, staying informed about your investments, and making adjustments to your portfolio as needed. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Section 6. The power of compound interest. Your money making money. One of the most compelling aspects of long-term investing is the power of compound interest. Compound interest is the concept of earning interest on your initial investment, as well as on any accumulated interest. In essence, it's your money making money, and it's a powerful force for building wealth over time. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and bigger. Similarly, with compound interest, your investment gains momentum over time, growing at an accelerating rate. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound and grow. Section 7. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. It's important to remember that investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. There are no shortcuts or magic formulas. Building wealth takes time, patience, and discipline. Don't get discouraged if you don't see massive returns overnight. Focus on making smart, consistent investments and let the power of compound interest work its magic. Remember the story of the tortoise and the hare? The tortoise, despite being slow and steady, won the race because he was persistent and never gave up. The same principle applies to investing. Slow and steady wins the race. Stay focused on your long-term goals, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Section 8. Share your journey. Let's learn from each other. Investing can be a personal and sometimes challenging journey. It's always helpful to connect with others, share experiences, and learn from each other's successes and setbacks. I encourage you to share your own investment journey, tips, and insights in the comments below. What strategies have worked well for you? What challenges have you faced? Let's create a supportive community where we can all learn and grow together on our path to financial well-being. Section 9. Join me. Subscribe for more financial wisdom. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of how to invest $1,000 wisely. I hope this essay has provided you with valuable insights and actionable steps to start growing your wealth. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. Take that step today and never stop learning and growing. If you'd like to dive deeper into the world of personal finance and learn more about managing your money, building wealth, and achieving your financial goals, I invite you to subscribe to my newsletter. I share practical tips, strategies, and resources to help you take control of your finances and live a richer life.